What's up, guys? Steve back again. We just had a crazy break in our hands. We're hoping for another crazy one now. It's Black Case Break. We're also giving away there's going to be a box of a Hit Parade autographed jersey, too. So we're going to be not giving it away. I'm so used to saying giving it away, but we're going to be using it as part of the lineup. Anaheim, Winnipeg, Todd, Corey, 107. Good luck, folks. We'll start with teams 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. Timestamp on 3 is at 107. 107 it is. And last and final random. Copy them over. 4th timestamp is at 107. And 107 it is. So Winnipeg finished on top of the list. Calgary at the halfway mark. Oops. Put that in the wrong spot. Here we go. There. We got Winnipeg to Calgary, and then Islanders to Edmonton. Edmonton on the bottom of the list. Keep an eye out there. Time to do the names. It's 107, just about to turn 108, and we got Todd to Corey. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 108. 108 it is. Last and final random on the names. All right, let's copy these bad boys over. 4th and final timestamp on that one is at 108, and 108 it is. So Todd, he started on top of the list, and he finished on top of the list. Todd to Chad, and Verno to Ian. All right, folks, here's your teams. We got Todd, Winnipeg, Ian, Carolina, Terry, Tampa Bay, Jay, Buffalo, Luke, Washington, Corey, Chicago, Brandon, Columbus, Steven, Detroit, Dana, the Rangers, Mike, New Jersey, and San Jose, Jay, Colorado. We got Jake, Philly, Chris, Montreal, Chad, Calgary, Verno, Islanders, Theo, Florida, Luke, Minnesota, Alex, Boston, Besser, Toronto, Corey, St. Louis, Ian, Dallas, Brendan, Arizona, Ian, Vancouver, Besser, LA, Chad, Anaheim, Corey, Pittsburgh, Jay, Nashville, Kelly, Ottawa, and Ian is Edmonton. So there's your teams. We will see you in a couple minutes. We're going to get started right away for this one. Good luck.